Hello everyone, this is Paul Slusar and this is Know-How Experts screencast show. Today we are going to start our project and we are going to build a blog. Here is a sketch that I draw. Here are the components that are going to be in the blog. We will be able to have a top bar with links. We're going to be able to upload videos and audio and pictures. We'll be able to create posts, replies, and change and delete stuff from it. And we're going to use Ruby on Rails for this project. So you can go ahead and check out the Ruby main page at ruby-lang.org. The address you can see at the top of the screen over here. Go ahead and click on downloads and you can download and install Ruby, the last version of Ruby from source, or they also have compiled binaries for Windows and for Mac, for Linux. Also, go ahead and check out the Ruby on Rails page and get to know what this is all about. And let us start. Okay, go ahead and start the terminal and let's check the Ruby version we have. Type ruby-v and we have Ruby 1.9.2 installed. Let's see what version of Rails we have installed. So looks like we have a current version of Rails. Also, you might want to check what version of Gem you have installed. So looks like we are ready to go. Let's create our new Rails project with Rails command. Go ahead and type Rails new, and the project name is going to be my media blog. Rails takes care of creating all the directories and files we need for this project, as you can see. So let's change directory to the project we just created. And here in this directory we see all the files that were created for us by Rails. So let's go ahead and start Rails server. And go to our browser and type in localhost with port 3000. This is the default port that Rails uses. So here we go, we are online and we have our Rails application up and running. You can check all your application's environment and looks like everything okay here. Once we verified that our Rails server up and running, go ahead and stop it by pressing Ctrl+C. So we stopped the Rails server, and let's create our first controller with the command, with the Rails command. And let's call it home. Once we have our controller generated, let's go to our browser window and append the word home for home controller here and see what happens. Oops, we can't connect because I didn't start the Rails server, so I'm starting the Rails server and trying it again. And I have routing error, and this is fine because we don't have a route yet. So let's go ahead and create the route. In order to do that, let's switch to an editor of our choice. You will see a config file. Go ahead and open it, and open file called routes.rb, and type there this line: match home, and then home # index. This is going to be a route to our index page in home controller. Let's go ahead and check it. Refresh the page, and we have unknown action. This is normal because we haven't created an action yet. We don't have that index page, so let's go ahead and create it. In app folder, open folder called views and create a new file in home folder and call it index.html.erb. Open this file and type in something, whatever you want for now, and save it, and go ahead and refresh the browser window, and here we go, everything works now. That's it for today, and I'm looking forward to your comments, and please visit blog.knowhowexperts.com for new screencasts.